Hello friends, in this video, let's see how to avoid ridge gourd yellowing and falling off. This is the common problem in all type of gourds. It could be either the plant is too young and does not have enough foliage yet, or the pollination has failed. Gourds frequently provide their own male and female flowers on different parts of the plant. So, insects activity is required to move the pollens from male flowers to the female flowers. The male flowers needs to be producing active pollens and the female needs to be receptive. This can fail when the plant is too dry or the weather is too hot or too cold or rainy, or simply because the insects population is not dense enough to visit all the flowers. In this case, we need to go for a hand pollination method to convert the flowers into vegetative state. Now let's see how to identify male and female flowers of ridge gourd. The male flowers grows on a stem without the gourd shape below the flowers. The female flowers will have the small gourd shape below the flowers. Let's see how to hand pollinate ridge gourd flowers. Pluck the male flower, and touch the female flower with the male flower, or drop the pollens of the male flowers to the female flowers. Doing it only once is enough and both the flowers should be healthy. Okay, now let's see the results of hand pollination. This is the same flower we pollinated 2 days back. And this is after 4 days. This is after 6 days. It has grown nicely and it will be ready to harvest in 2 days. There is another flower which I pollinated recently that is also growing well. Okay, 8 days over after the hand pollination done, my son is trying to harvest the ridge gourd. It's okay, we can manage with that. Let's discuss about the diseases we face in ridge gourd vine. There is a high possibility of leaf miner attack in its leaves. This can be avoided when the potting mix is proper and some amount of neem cake powder is added into it, or spray organic insecticide and neem oil to control them to some extent. The other major issue that we face is powdery mildew attack. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda in 1 liter of water and spray the solution all over the plant, or dilute raw milk in water at 1:10 ratio and spray all over the plant to control powdery mildew to some extent. All gourds are heavy feeders, so adding considerable amount of manure and compost to the soil prior to sowing seeds is important. Once the vine is grown well, occasionally add low nitrogen fertilizers like 5-10-5. Sometimes we feel the ridge gourd is bitter. This is due to the presence of a component called cucurbitacin. This contributes to ridge gourd flavor in small amount, but it causes bitterness in large amount. Hot and dry weather increases the level of the component. Harvest the gourds when they are tender and eat them when they are green. Happy gardening. Thank you for watching the video.